Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know my hair looks really ratchet right now. And the reason for that is I am doing the what I look like in high school video, or like how I did my makeup in high school. And I thought it would be perfect to have brown hair because for most of my life I did have brown hair. I used to have like a sun-in color as well, but I have platinum blonde hair now and that's just not gonna work. So I decided I'm gonna literally clip in my extensions to make it look like I have brown hair. So I'm gonna get straight into this video and I feel like we're gonna have a lot of fun with it. So let's get into it. I'm also wearing a hoodie and I'm wearing my sophomore sweater. It says 13, we're doing it big, and it says like a boss in the back. I went to Herbert Hoover High School in Glendale, California. Represent. Never finished, but I went. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup the way I did it when I was in like 8th to like end of 9th grade. And the reason why is because I feel like this would be the most entertaining to watch because the way I did my makeup was so sad, like horrible. It was so bad. I grew up in a very like weird time where I feel like I was in the middle of like the whole makeup trend, Instagram, and well, yeah, I was in the middle of that where it's like people started doing their makeup really well and like people started growing up very fast. But yeah, I'm just gonna be doing that Tina era. And I was a chola, if you don't know what a chola is. Also, look at the back of my head. So cute. I was a chola. And if you don't know what a chola is, I am from the valley, so the valley, bitch. So I tried my best to find the stuff that I actually used in high school, but I couldn't for the life of me find my Studio Fix. When I was growing up, all I used was MAC Studio Fix, nothing else, and the color never matched me. Today I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and there's not really a rhyme or reason to why I'm using this. It's just what I picked up. Never used brushes, straight onto the hand. Ooh, I hate this. And just really just rub it in there. Kind of just get it everywhere. Make sure you get your lips, obviously, because what do you have pigmented lips, you're trash. You always have to put the whitest of white lipstick on. And I looked for Myth. I used to only use Myth lipstick because I wanted to be exactly like my sister, but I couldn't find Myth in my collection. Yeah, I just really rub it on there. Do not worry about blending onto your neck because, like, who gives a shit, you know? So I'm from the, like, I'm not technically from the San Fernando Valley. I mean, I kind of am, but Glendale, Burbank area is not really considered exactly the San Fernando Valley, but like, whatever. So we love to look like cholas. That was like our thing. Even though I'm Armenian, like I'm 100% Armenian, I still love to look like a chola. And all of my friends were cholas, like actual. And yeah, I love the culture, even though I'm like 100% Armenian. I love like Miss Sancha and SPM and all that stuff. And I think most of that came from like growing up with my sister, because my sister also loved those things. So yeah, I used to wear hoodies and loafers and all that good stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna be going in with MAC Studio Fix. This is the only thing you ever used whenever you're in high school, like Studio Fix. I can't find the sponge that came in it, but I always use a sponge. I'm just gonna use this random one I found in my butter bronzer, and never wash the sponge because like you don't need to. Disgusting, so horrible. And of course I didn't put on any concealer because like you don't need concealer. You just pack on a shit ton of powder like everywhere. So for like blush, bronzer, I never used bronzer. I only used blush, and I only strictly used Warm Soul by MAC. And this is literally one of the ones that I used to have in high school. It is so old. This is the one of the original Warm Souls. I think they changed the formulation or something. I don't know. I probably shouldn't be using it, but I really kind of don't care. Whatever. Even if it's expired, it's just powder. It's not really gonna kill me. You use whatever brush you can find. It doesn't matter if it's old, if it's new, it's your neighbor's. You just use the brush anyway. This is from my bronzer, and I would really pack it on there and just put blush on. Oh my god. and like you're so cute, but if you have like a little bit too much blush on, you just kind of go in with your powder. But yeah, this is literally like what I did my blush like. So much of it. I freaking love Warm Soul. One of the best blushes of all time. I usually put some on my nose too because I'm advanced like that. So a little situation with my eyebrows. Unfortunately, I don't have the eyebrows I used to have, which were so thin. Like, so thin. And I will put pictures to show you guys what I actually look like. So I'm gonna take some of this soft ochre paint pot, and this is probably gonna be a fail, but I just want to show you guys like what the ridiculousness of like yeah, I'm just gonna try to cover up my eyebrows a little bit. I tried my best to like completely blank out my brows, and I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow. Now, I never filled in my brows with anything growing up. It wasn't really like a thing that anyone I was friends with did, but because my eyebrows are so thin, I have to kind of replicate. Okay, let's just go in. Oof, no, that was a mistake. No, go back. Yeah, I have pictures to prove it. This is not me being like, oh my god. No, like, yeah, that's pretty accurate. Or this is what I wish my eyebrow kind of looked like. I have a natural round shape, which is literally detrimental to any chonga. It just is. Like, if you have a naturally round shape eyebrow, you're just like, you're screwed. You can't even be a part of the club. But yeah, my eyebrow was actually thinner than this, but we'll let that slide. Honestly though, oh my god, this is crazy. Whenever I did have thin eyebrows like this, because it was actual hair, it didn't look as like crazy, but I look like Jeffree Star. So I always used to wear black in my waterline. Like, it was just like a thing. So, and I used Smolder by MAC. I used to love MAC like a lot. I mean, I still really love MAC Cosmetics, but ooh, that tickles. How did I used to do that all the time? As far as liner goes, I always use MAC's Boot Black, like liquid liner, but today I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Master Precise because that one is really old. And for eyeliner, it was always hella dramatic and just like a really wrong shape for my eye. I will tell you one thing though. Growing up, we all were really good at liquid liner. Like, it was never like, oh, I can't do it. Like, everybody was really good at it. Maybe because we had so much practice. Mascara wise, I always use the yellow Maybelline. I believe it's called Colossal. Or I use Zoom Lash by MAC. This one's super old, so I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to be using this Big T's Plumping Mascara by Buxom. Never really paid too much attention to my lashes, you guys. I've always hated on putting mascara. Nothing has changed. I kind of did the damn thing. Didn't really... Always had, like, I'm just gonna do it just to have it. Like, the freaking mascara on my top lash line. Never cleaned it off. I don't know why. I knew it was there. I just didn't feel like cleaning it off, so I didn't. And you know what? I can't find Myth, but I am gonna be putting on a little bit of concealer on my lips because this is literally what Myth looks like on me. It's concealer. Alright guys, this is freaking high school Tina. I know it's hard to believe, but this is literally what I used to look like. I will insert some pictures. The eyebrows might look a little bit different, but I shit you not, they were this thin. And we got the blush, we got the freaking blanked out lips. I was watching a bunch of these and I thought it was super hilarious because it's so funny how with times like trends change, like how someone that graduated in 2010 looked, how someone who graduated in 2016 looked, how someone who graduated in 97 looked. Like, just really funny. But definitely the trend in my high school and middle school were like really thin archy eyebrows, super dramatic wing liner, and white out lips. It was just a thing and everybody did it. Always had a cool little side bang situation happening. I did you guys a favor. I didn't really do a side bang the way I used to. In middle school, my side bang was like literally like this short and just like cut straight. And then I like ironed the shit out of it. Really, really bad. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. It's so weird for me to see myself on the viewfinder. That's why I keep looking there. If you guys like this video and if you have any other like challenge or like cute, cool videos like this that you guys want me to do, just leave them down below. Like this video and subscribe. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!